Do you love my crack?
Yeah, you're cracking the head though.
Oh, he's embarrassed. After na nakita si Mister, ang daming mga insulto kung natatanggap.
Good morning, Philippines!
Alis kami, punta kaming mail sa post office para email itong sulat ni Tami. Kasi 'di ba na ano si Tami natikitan. Pero kailangang hindi siya magbayad kung nakuha niya yung requirements. Kasi iba sa city guys, kasi bawal daw yung plate number, may framing, kailangan lang frame kasi basta illegal daw, iwan ko. You're so handsome, sir. Na ang gwapo-gwapo talaga ako sa pasensya na guys ha. Wala akong magawa kasi yun yung pakiramdam ko sa kanya Gwapong-gwapo ko Very gwapong-gwapo to you.
My hair looks like crap.
I'm very gwapong-gwapo to you, bebe. You're very so gwapo-gwapo. Hello, what the heck is this?
Oh, he fixed the thing.
Yeah. Hello, it's kinda...
It's shorter than the other one. Maybe it was a little short. Maybe it's the same. I want one of those cherries.
Hello! Somebody poop! Tignan nyo itong... The bird poop?
It happens.
Han, I have to wipe it. Do you have a thing when we get up?
I do not.
We have it in the back. Look at this, guys. The bird poop in the window, look. Oh my god.
What do they say? No, there is no such thing as a perfect human being.
A what?
There's no such thing as a perfect human being. They all have a crack.
they all have a crack, honey?
Yeah, they all have a crack.
A freaking thing. So where is that crack?
There you go, butt crack. So they can't be perfect if they have a crack.
Yeah, it's not really perfect, ha? Hinihintay ko lang si Tami. Alam nyo, napaisip tuloy ako sa pinakita ko si Tami sa video. Atat na atat ako noon na magpakita si Tami sa video kasi alam nyo na may magustong makita siya. So atat na atat ako. Tika muna, may tao. Wala na. So atat-atat ako noon. Grabe yung kaatatan ko sa pagbablog na ipakita si Tami kasi excited ako. Pero after that, mga ilang years na ko yung mga katanungan ng mga tao na grabe. Magkano? Anong taon kung ilang na daw si Tami, yung edad niya. So, ganon. At saka, nasaan yung work niya. Noon, merong nagsasabi, nasaan yung work niya. Tagang dito din to siya, nag-New York. Pagkatapos yan, sinabi na, pwede bang magpunta doon sa trabaho? Ganon. So, yun, sabi pa niya, baka pwede daw, baka daw magpunta sila doon sa trabaho. Ganon. Meron bang asawa noon? Meron bang asawa noon si Mister? Maraming mga katanungan kasi yung mga noon, grabe yung mga katanungan ng mga tao noon. May asawa ba daw si Tami noon? Kasi at saka kung may anak ba? Pang ilang asawa na ako? Ganong mga katanungan pa. May anak ba siya? Or bakit walang anak? Bakit hindi nagkaanak? Mayaman ba siya? Bakit siya daw yung inasawa ko? Matanda? Ganon. Mukha daw akong pera kasi matanda yun. Madaling mamatay? Ganon. Mukha daw akong pera pero may mga nagsasabi din na matanda na yan, walang pera, bakit yun yung pinangasawa mo, ganon yan. Ang dami, andito na si Mister. So yun siya guys. So yun yung mga katanungan. So noon, atat na atat ako, pero ngayon parang iba na yung naramdaman ko sa mga ganitong bagay kasi huwan ko na learn. Andito na si Mister. Hindi naman porket may edad na yung asala. Asan si Tami? Uy. Wait, he went to the other. What the frick is he doing? He went to the other car. Oh my god. What the heck are you doing?
It looks the same.
Yeah, I know. I was looking at you like, what the heck are you doing?
You think you're gonna beat that me and say I'm over here? No point in doing that.
Oh my god.
I had to buy a bag. I forget.
Oh my god.
Problem with going, well, it's $1. Problem with going in without a cart?
We have tons.
How are you coming out?
I know, you cannot. That's why you have to bring a cart.
Well, I didn't think of that until after. Well, I got the burgers. I got the rye bread. I got some clementines. I got bananas. And I got a thing of grapefruits. Little grapefruit pieces.
Yeah.
And I think that was it.
What?
It was only a little one though. Remember the No. Yeah. Remember the potatoes that we like?
Oh yeah?
The sweet potato casserole?
Yeah. Oh, you did have it?
A different brand. But it was only a little one. So I figured, it's good for us.
Yeah, but
I tried to see if they had potato skins or jalapeno poppers.
Yeah.
None.
Kaya yun guys, kahit ganito lang yung asawa ko, ang bait, kahit may edad na siya, hindi naman dahil sa edad, dahil may edad na siya, mabait to guys, as in mabait, and mahal naman ako, yun, mahal naman niya ako, at mahal ko naman siya, diba? We're happy together, right, B-boy? We're not perfect, but we are happy, right, B-boy?
We both got cracks.
We both
Can't be perfect, we both got cracks.
But nothing is perfect when it comes to marriage. In the beginning, it's really struggle. But you know what?
It could be perfectly annoying. That could be perfect. But
do you love me?
Yes.
I love you. I love you.
Even you cracked.
You love my crack. Han, you love my crack. Who are you kidding? Do you love my crack?
Yeah, you're cracking the head though.
Oh, he's embarrassed. He's embarrassed. He loved my crack. Oh my God.
Don't say stupid shit like that.
Nahihiya. Yo, so kaya yun, sa mga, ang daming katanungan since nag-start ako nag-vlog, matagal si Tami na hindi sa vlog ko kasi nahihiya siya. And hindi ko naman na pinakita ko siya sa vlog dahil nahihiya ako. Ayaw lang talaga niyang sa vlog, ayaw niyang ganon. So, kaya yun. So, bakit noon hindi ko siya pinakita? Kasi ayaw niya. At ako naman, atat na atat ako. Gusto kong makita siya. Kasi hindi ko naman kinahiya itong mister ko. Hindi ko siya kinahiya. After na nakita si mister, ang daming mga insulto kong natatanggap. Ang dami talagang insulto na natanggap ko. Ang daming mga katanungan din na para sa kanya na parang sobrang personal na panay na ito ka. Dito na si mister. Dito na si mister. Dito na siya. So meron lang siyang inano lang niya yung niya, papilis niya para ipasa. Okay, so now is your swollen feet, okay?
I got an nail in my foot from walking over there.
Seriously, honey, you really are making me so feel bad all the time.
Yeah, sure, that happens ever.
And in your mouth, the ducky in your mouth, she always give us something, guys. Prize to come home. Say, thank you, Mama. There's a prize for you. Look, give it to Dada. Misty, give it to Dada. Wait, where did you gonna put the ducky? Uy, where did you gonna put the ducky? Uy, uy. So jealous, Roxy, oy. Yun, guys, blanket ni Misty, guys. Nilagay ko dyan, look. Here, love. Come here. I love you, monkey. I love you. Yes, I do. Bakit basa pa ito? Kahapon pa to ba? Itong natin, kahapon pa to, hindi talaga nag-dry. Kailangan itong iwan ko, mag-burger daw si Tami, so yun, burger siya. Pero magluto tayo ng string beans. It's raining? In the heat? Look at the window, our thing, it's open. Our shed. At least the rain is really straight. I like this. Sun shower because of the humid and built up in the cloud. That's what it is. It's just pouring down. And then it will stop. Wait, it's naked Floy. It's naked Floy. Okay. Okay, it's just an E. Look at my husband.
But they also said, like, look, in case you're wondering, it's a set. Look really close. Zoom in. What do you see down there?
What is that? I don't know. It's black thing.
It's a caster. It's a wheel.
So let's cut. Hala, Han! I've been hugging you, Han, and then my poison ivy is rubbing your shoulder.
Well, that's not really good, huh?
And it's itching when I rub it.
Oh, that's lovely. Thank you for that.
Oh, sorry, Han. Yeah. So, linis tayo ng... Parang nakakasad. Why you're watching that instead of the supernatural? It's a deer. It's a big deer. Look at it. Oh. Han, look at... No. Come here. Hurry up. They're gonna run. They're gonna run. Look. Quiet.
So cute.
They're so cute. They heard noise. They won't run. Look at... And the legs is like moving. Why they're afraid to move, Han? Look how cute they are, honey. Han, they are so cute, Han. Quiet. Look at it's looking here, honey. Oh, it's run back. Oh, it ran back over there. Look what you did to your mother, Roxy. Look at this over there.
I'm distracted while talking to my mother. Come up behind me and just
Hubs, you get hurt. That's what happen when you attack your sister. You get hurt. That's what happened when you attack your sister. You get hurt. Sorry, boy. You get hurt. Dimple, when Hubs jump, Dimples push. That's what happened, Bug.
Good old man.
Don't do it again. You're gonna get hurt. Oh my goodness. He was confused, honey. When after that, he was confused. He's looking at his sister. Why?
Sit in the middle of the room. It's not going to cooperate.
Well, hopefully he'll come and check it, and it'll. And I noticed that the is colder than like the living room. It's not really distributed.
Replacing the air in the room.
Mm-hmm.
So who knows? Nothing at all. How about you guys?
Nah, nothing.
How's Claire's leg feeling today?
About to leave, already packing. Come with me, I'm not really asking. We'll get away to a place where we don't know. About to see the world in action, what we can be, life with no distractions. We'll get away, this is what we waited for. Take my hand, we'll make it somehow. We can't miss out.
And ano na bang oras? I think it's 8 something na ng gabi. Pero hindi pa masyadong magdilim at galing din ako sa basement naglilinis. Tupi tayo kasi magtupi ako kasi meron naman akong labahan. Thank you guys. Iin ko na tong vlog. Dito na lang muna tayo kasi ano na, pahinga time na. Salamat guys. Thank you so much for watching. And I will see you guys tomorrow. Please don't forget to like and subscribe.